In this video we'll be learning about replace method and rfind method. So replace method returns a copy of a string where the old substring is replaced with a new substring. So let's make a string. Okay, let's store inside is tolerance is not a easy quality. Okay, so let's replace let's say tolerance. Okay, so we'll be using string.replace and then we'll be changing tolerance to acceptance. Okay, acceptance. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here it is changed. So let's make a variable song. Okay, so let it be and then let it be. So this is our string. So we will be changing in, let's say, two occurrences. Okay, so let's take a song dot replace and we'll be replacing let's change let and to, let's say, don't let. Okay, don't let. Okay, and then we'll be using for two occurrences. So here there is change in two occurrences. So let's take the first thing and let's paste it. Okay, and now here we will be changing some letters. So let's change so let's say string dot replace and then we'll be replacing O to, let's say, E. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see all the O is being changed to E. So let's take this and we'll replace something here. So let's print song dot replace. Okay, and let's replace here let with so. Okay, let with so in just one occurrence. It will change just one time. So let's run it. So you can see in the middle one it is changed to in one time. So let's take another variable s1 and inside that I am storing I love Python tutorials and let's say I love coding. Okay, so we'll be changing, let's say, print s1 dot replace and let's change love to like. Okay, so this is our first replacement and let's replace I, let's say song dot s1 dot replace and we'll be replacing I with he. Okay, I to he. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see the changes are being made. So now we'll be seeing about the rfind method. So rfind method is very easy. So let me comment first rfind. Okay, so what this rfind method do? It returns the highest index of the substring if found. If not found, it returns -1. So let's make a quote variable. Okay, and then let's put let it be, and then again let it be. Okay, so now we'll be changing in a result variable. Okay, we'll store it in result variable quote dot rfind. So let's change let it, let's find let it. Okay, let's keep it small, let it. Okay, so let's run it. So before running, let's print the result. Okay, so you can see here the result. So similarly, let's find small also. Let's say result is equals quote and we'll find something which is not there, rfind. Okay, so let's put it small. So small is not there, so print the result. So it will print -1 as the output. Okay, so similarly let's make a result variable result. Okay, so inside result let's store quote.rfind. Okay, and then we'll find b and comma. Okay, so let's make if statement. If let's say result is not equal to -1, then print the result. Else, let's make else statement. Else it will print doesn't contain the string. Okay, so let's put doesn't contain substring. Okay, so let's run it. So here the output is 18.